Hello, hello, hello. Oh. We already got one viewer. That's beautiful. Is the microphone good, man? Ask the same questions every stream. Let's see. Ask the same questions every stream. Let's see. Okay. Hey, Will. Oh, no way. Will is the first person in stream. That's actually rare to see. How you doing, Will? How you doing, Will? You came back from school about an hour ago, didn't you? After all of your extracurriculars. You haven't been to school in 3 days. Why not, man? Why the hell not? You've been ill for like 4 out of 6 weeks. Oh, yeah, you did say that last stream. Yeah, I've been pretty ill. And you could not bear it anymore. Oh, damn. I hope you get better soon, man. Is it just a normal cold? Like a normal flu? Because a cold, I mean, everyone in my family's got like a semi-cold or whatever, cough like me. But it seems like you have something big like a flu or like something like that. Something from China. I can't believe I just said that. Alright. Is the music... Yeah, you think you have the flu, but the immune system's pretty weak. I mean, that's what happens when you're a programmer, really. Yo, shut the hell up. Why isn't the music playing? Why is it so low for you guys? Worse than that, your Neovim broke. I gotta say, that is pretty bad. I've gotta get me a sound mixer. There's so many audio streams coming through, I've gotta fix it. That's it, that's better. Get it? Well. Yeah, that's a pretty bad combo, man. I mean, if you go outside, touch some grass, do some exercise, I'm sure you'll feel better, man. These past 3 days, I hope you have not been inside all day, because popular belief says to stay inside, get a hot water bottle, and eat ice cream. That's utter bullshit. I promise you right now. What you need to do, eat lots of fruit, vegetables, and exercise. Go outside, get the vitamin D. You can't be staying inside no matter how bad you feel. You have to go outside. Oh, my microphone's already dirty. What the hell? Bro, I got a spunk on the mic, man. What is this? Anyways, I've got to start this. So where were we last time? Two days ago on the last stream, we were here, play one, choose a square. And then once you right click on the mouse, it goes back to... It updates the text on the screen, but it doesn't remove the one behind it. So what I think I'm going to do is make a class for a player. Because whatever logic I did beforehand was really awful. So, who is it? We're gotta bring in the glasses. What's that hair in my glass? Bro, what? My eyelashes are touching the lenses. What the hell? That is mad. Wow, these are dirty. Wow, these are dirty. Okay. Okay, we're good now. We're good now. Apparently we're not. Eyes not liking it. Something's in my eye. I think my eyelash bent inwards. Curled into my eye. Where is everyone? We're actually coding. We should have 20 plus views. Yeah. I don't know, man. The title is the same and even better than what it was all those streams ago when I got 900 views. I think it's because I've gotten a little bit better, and those 30-year-old men. Yeah. No hate to them. I like them, but they're not here anymore. Because they can't teach me how for loops work anymore. Okay. So I said I want to make a class. So yeah, that's gonna make everything much more complicated. But it's good. Play one, choose a square. Yeah, this is completely bullshit. It's completely shit. Bro, what is this? What is this? Oh no. I'm not really not sure how to do it. Should I just restart again, man? Let's get Gemini. Or should I just continue how it is? Without complicating it. I mean, he gets called every frame. Time manager. When I click the mouse, it should change the text. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I am only drawing one text, not this one. It's okay if we draw the same text, right? It's just only gonna overlap. Okay, now if we try, it should overlap. Ooh, maybe it's because. No. Wait, what's that? I don't need that. Mouse position.x. No, I don't need that. Not in this situation. Yes, I do actually. Yeah, so I'll just put this as a higher up variable. So I don't have to reassign it twice. Okay, we can remove that comment. And I also need this logic here. So you know, this might work. So I can remove that. Why do I have 20 rectangles? I got no clue. Don't ask me what I did 2 days ago, because I don't remember. It was 2 days ago. Hello, Dixelius, Cassandra. How are you? Okay. This might work. Let's see. So if I click it, it should change the text. Okay. If I click again, it should change the text again. Okay, it's working. Okay. So this is just a cosmetic thing. It doesn't actually do anything with the game. It doesn't help with the game design. They're just overlapping now. How do I remove it? How can I... I'll bring it up on the screen actually. How to remove... Oh, wait. I know how to do it. I can clear the screen. Yeah. Clear background, and then what was it? Black? I think it was black. So that should remove it. That's it. Okay. So now we got that working. After each click, so X here, O here, X here, O here, X, O, X, O, X, O. That works. That's good. I'm actually surprised I got that working in only a few minutes of trying. Now, I've probably coded that in a bad way, which is going to mess me up later on, but that's okay. Yeah, well, if it works, it works. Like, if it works, it works. Now, what I mean is I might have a problem later because I'm going to draw the X and O's, but what was it? If I clear the screen, it's going to remove the X and O's as well, unless I add them as images. No, then it won't clear the screen, because if that function would clear images as well, then it would have removed the background image, which is this PNG of a empty board. So if I just have PNGs of the X and O's, then it won't remove it, instead of drawing it on manually like with their inbuilt tools. Then it won't clear, so it's going to be fine. So, and just like that, the main function is much smaller than what it was in the previous project, so that's good. Yeah, I'm cleaning the window each time, yeah. Yeah, every time I do clear window. I've noted it. Also, would you say Raylib is better or worse than FML3? I've never used FML3 in my life. I don't even know what it is. Simple and fast multimedia library. I need to sneeze. Oh. Software development libraries designed to provide a simple API to various multimedia components. I definitely want to learn that. If it provides a simple API, I mean, that's pretty good. It's pretty helpful, isn't it? Never heard of it in my life though. There's many things I haven't heard of. But yeah, I don't know. Asking the wrong person. Sometimes I say FSFML is the go, and sometimes it makes me want to jump off a cliff. I'd say that's the same with everything, man. The harder something gets, it makes you want to do that. Yeah, well, we all know you're a noob dev. I mean, you only know like a few languages proficiently, so it's not enough. So what's the next one? I get distracted so easily. I need to stop reading the chat. So we got this. Now I just got a display. So actually I need to check if I even have the images. No, I don't. Let's get some images then. I could just draw one myself. Oh no. Got our Lord Jesus Christ here. That's not what I wanted though. cross TicTacToe image. I said just a cross, man. Nothing is straight in 2025. Will, you're like the fourth person that said the boxes aren't straight. You think I care? You think I didn't do that on purpose? Oh, just X's. I'm just gonna draw it myself. Boom. That's it. Oh. That's it. Okay. X. And then we do O. Here we are. How does the Xalius have first place? This is so going on my GitHub, Will. This is going on my GitHub. Everything I do is going on my GitHub. Why isn't Control S working? Oh. Save as PNG. Right, and then we go. Everything is going on the GitHub, brother. XO. Wait, but why is it like that? I've got to crop it. Boom. Save. Same for you, brother. Okay, come on. All good. So we've got O.png, X.png. So I might make a player class, but I don't think. Wait, it's definitely necessary, but I'm too silly to do that. Yeah, what the hell? Look at how many messages I sent. Why am I drawing them? Because I can. With white brown instead of clear. Well, I don't know how to do a clear background. I know I can go and remove.bg, but that's too much effort. Yeah, you both have the same amount of XP. So. You're wearing programming socks. I'm not even wearing socks. Okay. I'm not. I think. I think I'm gonna do a vector for. Oh, it can just be a hash map, bro. Why am I complicating it? Use positions. I don't think I need this. Or I need something along this line, but not with zeros. Now I just got to figure out how to. I want to figure out how to draw it first, and then I'll actually draw it. So, init all. All right. Let's init the images. X equals load images slash x.png. Oh. So we have them now. We need to. Yeah, it doesn't work. The set window icon function does not work. Wait a second. How am I using icon.png? That's a... Oh, it's 'cause I did it in main. Fuck's sake. You have a pair of programming socks, Gabe? No, I don't. I do not have programming socks. I do not have programming socks. I cannot see links either. I put a poll in the chat. Hopefully get some smart responses. Oh shit. That's the second time that's happened. Interesting. Yes or no? Ultimate Raylib question. So, if we have it here, I need to actually return some stuff. So, how can we return multiple things? Maybe if it's a struct. If it's a struct, then I can return a bunch of crap. But then my what is it? My naming conventions are gonna get all messed up. I think I'm just gonna load it all. But if I load it all in main, that's gonna be really ugly. If I change this, then I'm gonna have to change it in the header file. That's gonna be so annoying. Okay. I'll just try this method. So struct stuff, right? And then we got here image icon. But how do I change the values? I'm not sure how to do image. Oh, I know why this isn't working. It's because it should work because it's after init window. Oh, it's because I did unload image. I probably shouldn't do that. Wait, I'm getting distracted again. Does it work? No, it doesn't. Right, I wanna work on fixing this first. OpenGL, right? There was something about alright. How to change variables in extract. What's good, Cassandra? I make a new instance of the struct and then just change the values there and then return that struct that I just made, the instance of it. If you're lazy to change the H file, have the selector on the thing you want to change and then press Control plus, then change signature. We use Vim in your dreams. Control plus dot. Change signature. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you so much. That is so cool. That is super duper cool, man. Why are you complaining? Cannot overload functions distinguished by return type alone. What? What the hell is this? Return. Amazing naming convention, am I right? Equal. Oh, why are you shouting? Cannot overload func. I'm not trying to overload anything. It's the same as doing. Wait, what? Why can't I return anything? Apparently, I'm just not allowed to return anything apart from primitive data types now. Am I not even allowed to do that? I'm not allowed to return anything. It's not letting me to return any data type. Cannot overload func. Good spot, Will. This is blasphemy. Fix syntax and other. What syntax do I fix? It's nothing to fix. So does anyone know the answer to this philosophy question? 200 hours configuring. Alright, buddy. Let's read some docs, yeah? Based on a function signature, return type is not part of the figure. This means you cannot find. I don't give a shit why it's not allowed. I just want to know how to resolve it. Use different parameter list. Modify the parameter list to make the functions. Oh, I think what we did with like Cassandra's thing didn't work. Yeah, that's it. Cassandra, you messed it up. This is all Cassandra's fault. What's this? This is all. Wait, what's this? Why are you dying? It's because stuff doesn't exist out here, does it? Okay. I'm just gonna have to make like a reference to it. I hope this works. It still doesn't work. Yeah, really? Really? This works. So why isn't it working? These are some weird problems, man. Like absolute weird C++ problems. I just want to return a struct, man. How hard is that? Everyone's voting open. Double check the H file. It means it thinks there is another function with the same. No, there isn't. And what if it thinks that? Like, it doesn't matter what it thinks. That's not identified. What do you mean it's unidentified? It's right here. It's right there, man. Add include game. How does that work? What? What? It's fixed. How is it fixed? How? How? It's fixed now. Well, on the header file. Okay. This is so annoying. What the fuck is happening? This is some Windows stuff right here. I've got no idea what sorcery is doing. But then it doesn't know what is here. I've included gay, but it doesn't include the struct. This IntelliSense is so awful. So awful. Utterly awful. It's apparently not found. Even though it's right here. It's not a type name. Guys, a struct is apparently not a type name. We have made an insane discovery in this channel. Restart VS, alright. Oh, Will, you fixed it? If you just compile it, the linker just finds it somehow. Cool, 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 cool. Also, I should put this up in the position right there. I'll just leave it there. Cannot overload operations. Well, you did fix one of the issues, to be fair. So that's good. Got to make small talk with the AI before abusing it. What do you mean decoding the query? Oh, just cool. Cannot overload functions. By the way, YouTube has officially shadow banned me. You can call it in 3 different ways. Is that so? Uses both default values. Overrides. Ah, you're taking a piss. So you're telling me because I used parameters, it's breaking everything. You're crazy. Why on earth would you have 3 different... Why would you use that in 3 different ways? There's no need. So this error happens if you have another function named... Well, I don't, so... Okay, so what do I do about it? But I don't have an ambiguous function. Remove default argument. If you decide to always provide the screen height, remove the default. This makes the function signature unique. But I want the people who call the thingy to know the screen height and width. If you decide you should always provide a screen height and width when calling this function, remove the default. That sounds a bit counterproductive. Hey Nick. It's the copyrighted music, yeah. That is true. Try another function name. We're still getting the same error. Yeah, we're getting the same error. Okay. We'll just do it the way that they want me to. I will conform to their standards. Why are you complaining? Bro, come on, man. Why are you complaining? Why? There is no need for you to complain. Oh, I think I just found out what the error is. Oh, I just found out what the error is. It's because I put the parameter list here instead of putting the actual parameters. Oh my days. No way. No way. No way. Okay, watch this. When I remove this line, it's gonna be fixed. I hope. Oh, did I don't need to provide values. No, I didn't fix it. I thought it would though. I'm not playing copyrighted music now, so it's all good. What are you even trying to do? Bro, I'm just trying to use this function. I'm just trying to... Well, I'm trying to make TicTacToe if you didn't figure out by the title. It might be complaining because this is constant and the other thing is int. I'm not calling the function. What am I doing, bro? Oh my god. Wait, I need to put it back to where it was. It's working. Damn it. What have I done wrong? These need to be swapped then. Oh, I just completely removed screen height and screen width from the system. Don't know where it's gone. What were the numbers again? I completely forgot the number. Maybe try remove the game.cpp. Yeah, that was the solution that IntelliSense gave me. Okay, now it seems like it fixed it. Alright, Darag, thank you. Seems like it did fix it. Been with that issue for way too long now. I've got to find what those values were back then. It was 622 and 579. Okay. So can I do this then, please? Screen width. Oh? No way it works. Please. Come on, man. Come on, man. Did I just see a red? What's the error? Linking error again. You know, I think they're just banning all default arguments, so I'll just do it myself. Please. Absolute silly game. Silly thing. Okay. Okay, now why is the background moving? Oh, it's because I did it the wrong way around. Okay. So now that should be fixed. That's it. Okay, now let's get back to the goal of what I was actually trying to do. Like half an hour ago. And that is displaying X or O on the screen. Hello eLuna. Hello original. Dude, I think I've used over a day now. And I've finally gotten persistent storage to work on a tiny core. Persistent storage. What, like non-volatile? That's nice. Would be great if in V2 you made it scalable. You know, the elements percentage to screen it somehow. Alright. Alright then. In version 2. Please. Oh, I didn't return the stuff yet, did I? I did, yeah. So back to this. I have this struct, right? How do I change this icon? Is it icon equals? No. How to assign values? I already searched this up earlier, but I forgot. Someone finally voted for Raylib. I'm glad. Hey Luna, my favorite language is C++. Someone else answer Eluna as well because it's getting lonely. My struct.num1. Ah. That seems a bit again counterintuitive. Stuff to return dot icon equals. Icon. Stuff to, oh, what the hell? Stuff to return dot equals stuff to return dot x equals x. Boom. Now we return x. Now how do we access that? Where is it? That's in it all. Yeah. Where's that? So it's a struct again. So oh, that's how you do it. Oh, that's pretty simple actually. And then I can do elements dot icon. Ah, okay. That makes sense. And I think after begin drawing is when I do set window icon to elements dot icon. Now let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. It does not work. Thank you, Darag, for answering Eluna's question. I appreciate it. You got a new NVIDIA driver. Crazy. Do I have a new driver updates? Bro, I get distracted so easily. But I've got to check. That's not the correct app. Don't tell me I need to sign in. Also, please don't leak my login details. I know it likes to do that. Oh my days. I have such good sixth sense. On the GeForce Now screen, I'm not showing you it, but it's literally leaking my email right now, my personal email. How I had a gut feeling that it would show my email to the stream. I pulled it to the second monitor and I saved my life. Well, I don't like Java. I think your opinion is wrong. Oh man, that was good. Okay, so back to this. How to set Windows icon. Raylib. So we have icon.png. Why isn't it working? Saved as an alpha channel. That's probably the reason. I don't know how to save it as an alpha channel, whatever that is. How to change a PNG to an alpha channel. Yours is bash. You prefer fish. Oh, in one of my older videos, I saw fish in a site called guessthiscode.com, and I was bamboozled at it. ZSH. Fish is unmatched. You know what is unmatched? Holy See. So right click on the layer mask. Bro, what the hell? No, I do not have Photoshop. Actually, do I? No, I don't. I haven't pirated it yet. Obviously, don't pirate anything. I don't even know what alpha channel. Let's see. Hopefully this isn't a scam website. Okay, if this doesn't work, then it is what it is. Yeah, because the exact same path works for the blank board, which is in the exact same folder. XO and blankboard.png work, same, but icon.png doesn't work. I have a feeling that I'm not using the correct function. Set Windows icon, I'm thinking that means that this little icon in the top left there, but it might mean the actual executable icon. Gotta find it. No, it's neither. It's neither. It is neither. Arturo Gutierrez. Welcome. Original being how? How? This guy's such a hacker, man. You're reading Professional C++ from Mark Gregorian. Nice, man. Sounds like a good book with that professional name. Professionalness of a name. Yeah, YouTube XP system needs to get fixed. What was I doing? So we have that. Now let's draw. Testing. Let's draw image draw. No, that's not it. That's not it. Draw text. How do I draw an image? Draw texture. Wait a second, I messed up. I put the incorrect type. Load texture. Boom, boom. Okay. Okay. Now we do draw texture. No. Draw texture. Elements.o. Elements.x. Pos x. We'll do. Well, this one really. 100 and. I forgot rectangle arguments again. Rectangle. I've searched this up so many times. It doesn't stick in my head. And I got a message in Discord. So X and Y position and size, width and height. So 0 to 100. Does it want a rectangle? Oh. No. It's not drawing it. Even the blank board isn't drawing. I have a feeling it's because we're drawing the blank board quite late. So if I do this, if I do it right after begin drawing, this might fix it. It did not. Who's spamming my Discord? Oh, it's my friend. It's Finley. He sent me a link on YouTube. Your favorite language is English. That's cap. Recommended book. Alright. Chinese. Ni hao wan chilling bing chilling. Shui sure bing chilling. None knows Chinese. Ah. Three people said Raylib. Raylib's fun when it works. This is the X and Y variables, right? Not the size. pos x, pos y. So bro, I swear I commented you out. How are you still there? Absolute silly Billy, man. I need to draw texture pro if I wanna do other stuff. If I wanna like resize it. Rectangle source, rectangle dest. The board is just too big. Okay, back to this. Let's see elements dot x at position 0, 0. I think that's O. That does not look like X. Why is it so big? I need to resize it definitely. Let's see. I could resize it in the code, but that is way too long. So, oh, I renamed it the wrong thing. What? Wait, no, I didn't. Wait, what happened? Why have I got two O's? That is so scuffed. Oh, I need to make another X. All right. Boom. Wait, that's not. Boom, and then boom. Oh, wait. That's it. X. X.png. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, oh yeah, I forgot to resize it. So back here. How does one resize? Not like that. Or maybe like this. Sick. Okay. Let's see if it works. But now the other thing isn't getting drawn. Okay, let's do starting from 100. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. We drew the X, it's not in the right place. They eat less carbs. That's how one resizes. That is a beautiful poetry right there, man. Okay, now it's got to be a bit smaller though. It's got to be. Or should I make the? I'll make the game bigger. Nah, no. I'll just make this smaller. And I gotta stop closing the files. And they say Shakespeare is dead. It's absolutely not. Absolutely not, mate. Boom. Why did you say you copied my clipboard when you're not? You're not copying my clipboard. Boom. And I'll do the same for you while I'm here. Too big. That should be fine. Okay. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay. Now let's try it. Yes, it worked. It worked. Let's do 120 and like 20. Hard coding values is the way, guys. This is so bad. Hello, board game maker. It's going amazingly. Like, I'm gonna become the biggest competitor really to Rockstar Games. What can I say with this progress? You love the art style, man. I appreciate it. Took me hours to make. Hours to think of, design, document, test. You know, I used the whole software development life cycle. We used the waterfall method, agile, you know, all sorts. But is that in the middle? It's gotta be a bit more, so I'll do 40. Okay. And a bit down. 40. Perfect. Perfecto. Now let's try with O. What happened? What happened? Nothing important. So let's do O. And O is, oh, where's that black thing, man? That just ruins it all. I'm not changing it though. Can't be asked. What's up, Finley? You hyped for the fight? Yeah, me too, man. We're both hyped for the fight. Finley Wilkin has in the chat, he has a boxing fight this Saturday. His first ever one. Proper boxing. So we all wish him good luck, obviously. But Finn, please don't, yes you will win, bro. I agree with you. But please don't share the location in the chat, I don't want to get doxxed. Or you don't want to dox yourself, really. Alright, good. So that's testing is done there. We can go here. And draw symbol here. So play one is going to be X. Oh, we should take in elements as well. So we're taking a copy to elements, which is stuff variable. So take a copy elements.x. Can we access? Yeah, we can. So we'll get X there, and then oh, I have to change the signature as well. I forgot to do that. My bad. So O. I'll change the signature on this side. Where is it? Here. So take a reference to stuff. What did I even call it? Elements. Okay, all good. And then in the main code we have elements. It's somehow all linking up. We're good. Original use Windows. Since when? Since when does original use Windows? 25H2. I thought Windows was a strict Linux C fan. You have dual boot. Alright. No, I don't have. It says I don't have access to 25H2. It says it got released 2 weeks ago. we can pin settings to the taskbar. Bro, roast as much as you want, please. As much as you want, whenever you want. Ah, here it is. Windows 11 25H2 is done. Oh, I wanted to click learn more, and it wasn't even there. It just disappeared. Yeah, board gamer, say whatever you want. This use position thing, by the way, I don't need currently. Oh, but I need it for I'm gonna use it later. Why do you have an array of strings and each string is just an integer? Why not have an array of integers? Yeah, I knew you were gonna comment about that. I don't know. That's just the way it was, really. I had a reason for it. What was it? I don't remember the reason. I'll just put it back to int. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is there 6? I thought there was 9. It's supposed to be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. String is fine maybe for printing, but it's less efficient, uses more memory. Yeah, I don't remember my reasoning. It was 2 days ago. But yeah, I changed it now. So, okay. Oh, okay. Let's do this now. So there's nothing drawn. So when I press the draw button, when I press left click, it should draw. It doesn't. And I think I know why. It's because turn manager that's turn manager, right? Yeah. So we need to do this after update frame. So we'll do this now. No. We need to do it after clear background. I'll actually just remove that. Yeah, clear background has to be the last thing we do. Or maybe I'll put clear background in turn manager to make it look cleaner. Oh no, we shouldn't have clear background actually. Oh wait, what? First of all, clear background shouldn't remove anything to begin with. So it is drawing it correctly, but it gets deleted out because of the clear background. But then it should also clear the blank board. Why isn't the blank board flickering? It should be. It really should be. These strings would take less memory than the numbers. It's horrifying. It's detrimental to society, isn't it? Update frame. What's that? It just draws that. Ah, I know what's going on. It only draws it if whose turn is 0. So it's got nothing to do with, I'm guessing at least. It doesn't have much to do with the clear background. It's just because every time I click it, it turns this variable off, turns this if statement to false. So then it goes to this one and it draws that instead. So what I'll do, that's weird though. That's weird. I'll see. If I remove clear background, will it make the X symbol stay? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Why you disappear? Oh. It's because it's... Okay, I think the actual board is overlaying. It's overlapping. Yeah, it's overlapping the symbols. Okay. Okay. We can keep that then. Alright, we found out what the issue is. Successfully. Oh no. It's not letting me uncomment it. Wow, that's cheeky. I have to do it manually. That's cheeky. That's cheeky. Okay. This is awful. And then I'll do... What was I doing? I need to return stuff from update frame. So... Like I gotta redraw, I gotta update. I've gotta return the symbol and where it was drawn to from turn manager. But then it's not really a manager if I'm returning it, if something else is doing it, stuff with it afterwards. Oh, hell nah. I've got to remember before it fades away. What was I doing? Okay. So return Return what's drawn from turn manager. Return what's drawn from turn manager. New strat. Oh, it should be like a vector though, really. Or if I do an unordered map, the key would be oh shit, this getting complicated. The key would be where it's like the X and Y position, and then the value would be the symbol. It's new. Unordered map where the key is the X and Y coordinate, and the value is the symbol. Okay. Fill in. Oh, this is gonna be hard to fill in. I might do that off stream. I think I will. And I think at that point it would be done. I just have to do the actual checking. After they draw all their squares. Check where the player clicks on the screen and throw the picture there somehow, and then check for a winner. That's basically it. Oh, do we know when? No, I have not watched Core Dumped in quite a while. I have a busy life original. When I stream, that's basically the first time in the day when I actually get on the PC. I do college, work, other shit, and then I just come and stream. I ain't got time for Core Dumped. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next stream. So I will end the stream now. It's bedtime for us good boys. I think I've been at home for the past 3 days with like 14 hours a day on the PC. 14 hours. That is insane. Alright. People, vote Raylib or OpenJ. We've got like a minute left, 2 minutes before I end the stream. Put your votes in. This is a democracy. Yeah. That's gonna be the end of this stream now. Thank you to all of my 2 viewers for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Good night, Board Game Maker. Good night, Original. I'm gonna end the poll. Alright. See you next stream. Bye bye.